Hey, it's Todd with the Sporting Shop at the Preserve in Richmond, Rhode Island. Now, all fishing rods, spinning, casting, or fly have a designed amount of bend, which affects how they work in certain conditions. Basically, you have fast, medium, and slow rods, with a few combinations of those along the way. Fast action rods bend in the top third or so. They react fast to hits and strikes. These are great rods for windy days or targeting a specific part of a river, and they're great for holding back big fish, but they do require a little bit of experience on the part of the caster. So that fast action has more bend farther up towards the tip, which gives you more backbone supporting it here. Now, a medium action rod has a bend which starts typically in the middle area. They're a bit more forgiving for casters and they're a little softer in the tip. They're great for casting spinner baits or plastics where you want the rod to bend a little bit when you set that hook, as opposed to a stiffer, faster rod, which is better for hauling back big fish out of weedy cover. There's also slow action rods. They start to bend in the first third of the rod, like a parabolic rod of similar design where they have an equal amount of bend all the way through the length of the shaft. Now, some slow rods are made of fiberglass like this noodle rod. In fly rods, they don't usually cast very far, but in a lightweight design, they're a hoot to catch a fish on. They're also best for small streams. Now, in choosing your rod, generally mediums are the most versatile. Choose a medium fast for those big largemouth or medium heavy for an aggressive redfish or striper. I have a few medium action rods which easily fish fresh or salt water in the same day. Of course, it's always good to have options since we know you can never have enough fishing rods. Now, the Sporting Shop at the Preserve carries a full line of rods for all conditions in fresh or salt water. Come see us in Richmond, Rhode Island, or visit us on the web at thesportingshop.com. And of course, follow us on Facebook and Instagram at The Sporting Shop.